Click on Register Now button. Enter username you want. Enter your email and then your BTC deposit address from any wallet. I already have accounts, so I will simply log in. Now I came on my dashboard from where I can earn money. Click on the Earn Bitcoin to open drop-down menu from you can see earning methods. Click on the PTC ads option to watch ads and earn Satoshis. Click any ad you want to see, but don't open the ad that redirects you to YouTube page. Wait for the button to become dark color and then click it. Go back to the Ad tab where you can see the timer. Wait for the timer to complete and earn Satoshi. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit. Finally, I earned the amount of given Satoshi. No investment for this website is required. To join the website, click on the link given in description. Watch ads and start earning. Thanks for watching the video.